I remember thinking two things very vividly. First, that they were the worst band I'd ever seen. And second, that they were the best band I'd ever seen.
You could go see them on one night and they'd be blindingly brilliant, close to a religious experience. You could go see them on another night and they could just be complete dog shit.
They were a glorious mess.
But music like The Replacements is, about engagement with your own imagination and hope and disappointment, and also ability to fail miserably.
I've seen the band 3 times.
A total of 7 times.
Probably like 8.
8 or 9 times.
What about 10 times?
10, 12 times.
Probably about 15.
20, 25.
Probably seen The Replacements 25 times.
30 times.
30 to 40.
I want to say 60.
80.
Maybe 100 and more, I think about it.
Oh, I'm sure a couple hundred.
300 times.
I can honestly say I spent more time with them than anyone else growing up. I spent more time listening to Please Meet Me than talking to any friend I ever had.
For me, greatest band of all time.
For me, The Replacements made my world a better place.
I mean, they were just a rock and roll band, but also weren't the Rolling Stones just a rock and roll band?